Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm an art teacher, and I've created a new drawing video to show you how to draw a peacock. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Project for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button that's in the corner. It helps me make more of these. Now here's my favorite way to draw a peacock. I really like how this pose shows off the peacock's long neck and pretty face. The tail feathers have some easy to draw decorations on them too, but there's certainly room to add more if you want. Let's get started. Now the materials you need for this project are drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. You can also download this free peacock tutorial from my website. Before you begin your drawing, I like to remind students that it helps to first make guides on your paper. All you have to do is fold and crease your paper in half in both directions and then open it back up again. You'll have lines that match my directions, which really do help. Plus, they completely disappear by the time you're done coloring. Step number 1. Start by drawing this kind of skinny U shape for the belly. Step number 2. Now extend those lines up and add a pointy head on the top. Step number 3. Draw 2 simple legs below the body. And add 2 curved lines like this for the base of the tail. Draw lines on the face for the beak and the eye. Then add 3 small shapes that are the feathers that sit on top of the peacock's head. Step number 4. Now it's time to draw the back feathers. Start by drawing one that goes to the right, and then add a matching one on the left side. Notice that they go almost to the edge of the paper. Step number 5. Now add the center back feather. You'll have to work around those shapes on the head. Step number 6. Draw another feather to the right of that center one. They can share sides. Then draw the same feather on the left side. Now the right side can get filled in with 2 more feathers. Step number 7. Then draw matching feathers on the left side. Step number 8. Okay, the tail feathers now get some decorations added to the ends. I like to draw all the oval shapes first, 1 on each feather, all as similar as you can make them. Working slowly will always give you your best results. Now go back and draw circles inside each of those ovals. Add 1 in each and try to make them match as best you can. And to finish the drawing, add a horizon line near the bottom. Step number 9. It's time to trace all those pencil lines with a good black marker. Work slowly so you can see how well you can stay right on those pencil lines. And when you're done, use your eraser to erase any extra pencil lines that are still showing. You can't do that once there's crayon color on top of them. Now it is coloring time. Real peacocks have lots of different colors in them, but I'm going to use just a few, starting with a reddish purple. To make the feathers kind of match that body, the ovals are also going to be colored with that reddish purple. I'm going to use a bluish green for the base of the tails. I'm also using it for those small circles and the feathers on the head. For the main tail color, I'm using a bright yellow-green color. Remember, you always have to press hard with this color to make sure it really shows up. The beak and legs can be a golden yellow color. And that grass is a darker green. I want it to look different than the color of the feathers. And I think my black marker is the best tool to fill in that eye. Okay, here comes my favorite sky blue for the background. Press hard with this color too, so you get a really bright blue sky. And there it is, a finished peacock drawing. I really like how this tutorial offers some good radial symmetry drawing practice. That's when shapes look like they are radiating out from one spot. And drawing a peacock is one of the prettiest ways I know to do that. As always, thanks for following along with me, and I hope you've enjoyed this peacock tutorial video. I do have even more drawing tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a turkey and how to draw a parrot. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.